Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to add notes to places on Google Maps. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, open it, and go to any place that you want to add note about it. So for example, I will see restaurants and I will choose the first one. So what you have to do is to save that place and choose the list where you want to save it. For example, I will add it to favorites. Click done. After that, close it. Close the search and go to U, which is like in the middle of the bottom screen list. Click on it. Go where you saved that place. And after that, click on the three lines here. Go and click on the pen icon near to the name of the place. And here you can type the note that you want. For example, I will type test and click done. And as you can see below that place, you will see your notes. For example, my note is test. I can see it, or you can see whatever thing you have written about that place. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to write all of your questions in the part of the comments or the comment section, and see you in the next one.